Hey, this is Mark Serrano here. I'm here to do a refresh on an old tutorial that I've done, and it's on how to transfer an app between two Macs. The operating interface has updated, so I figured I'd do a refresh on this video. Like and subscribe if you find this video helpful. Let's get into it. All right, on computer one, let's pop into the settings, and let's go into the search. We're going to type in sharing, and then we're going to click on for file sharing. Now hop over to your second computer. This is going to be the computer where you drag the files onto, and we're going to do the same thing in the settings. We're going to go to sharing, and then we're going to turn on file sharing. So both file sharings are on both devices. Now let's go back to the first computer, hit network, and click on the second computer in the network. And connect as. Just hit connect, and then you will be asked to log in to the other computer. So you will need the second computer's username and password, not this computer's. Now we have access to the public files of this second computer. So let's click on the username. Let's click on applications. Should be at the top. And this will be a blank folder. Now let's open up a second window or a second finder. And let's go to applications. Now let's find an application that you like. I'm going to use ID3 Editor app. This is an app that I actually can't find anywhere on the internet anymore, so I actually have to do this every time I switch computers because I can't find a download or a GitHub or anything for this thing. So it's really important that this feature is still available on the new operating systems. So give it a minute to load in. All right, it should be loaded onto the second computer now. So let's hop over there. And let's go to computer, Macintosh, username, applications. And you'll see here that if you're here early, you'll see that it's still loading in. So it looks like it's good over here. So let's just drag this into the applications folder. And then, voila, it is an application that I can run on the second device now. This is, yeah. Oh, and on the first computer, you can see it disappeared because I had dragged it off. So yeah, now I can use this application on my second computer and my first computer. And this is really helpful for really rare softwares that do not longer exist on the App Store or on the internet. So thanks again for watching. If you did find it helpful, like, subscribe, leave a comment if you have any questions. For things like Creative Cloud or Logic, things that would require you to sign in, this doesn't automatically give you the ability to sign in to that app. Just a heads up.